Period 2. Biology. Today's topic: the relationship between body temperature and enzyme activity. Our bodies seem to function the same all the time, but in reality, they are maintained by a very delicate balance. One of the key elements in this system is enzymes. Enzymes help speed up chemical reactions in the body. For example, they are involved in digestion and in producing energy. Without enzymes, these reactions would be far too slow, and we wouldn't be able to function properly. So what makes enzymes unique? One important feature is that their activity depends on temperature. When the temperature is low, enzymes work more slowly. This is because all movement inside the body becomes less active. You can feel something similar when your body feels stiff in the cold. On the other hand, as temperature rises, enzyme activity increases. Reactions happen more quickly, and the body functions more smoothly. At this point, it might seem like higher temperature is better, but it's not that simple. When the temperature becomes too high, enzymes begin to lose their function. This is because enzymes rely on a specific shape to work properly. If the temperature gets too high, that structure breaks down. As a result, they can no longer function. This process is called denaturation, and in many cases, once this happens, the enzyme cannot return to its original form. This means enzymes have an optimal temperature range. For humans, this is close to normal body temperature. So what happens when body temperature changes? For example, during a fever. At first, enzyme activity may increase. But if the temperature remains too high, the balance breaks down. That's when we begin to feel fatigue or discomfort. Similarly, if body temperature drops too low, enzyme activity decreases and the body slows down. In this way, body temperature affects the entire body through enzyme activity. Another key point is this: the body constantly works to maintain its temperature. When it's hot, we sweat. When it's cold, we shiver. These responses help keep enzymes in their optimal condition. So maintaining body temperature is directly linked to maintaining normal body function. To summarize, enzymes are highly sensitive to temperature. If it's too low or too high, they cannot function properly. And this impacts the condition of the entire body. Even the small changes we feel are connected to this system. So body temperature is not just a number. It's a critical factor that supports how our bodies work. We don't usually think about it, but once you understand this, you may begin to see your body differently. Next lecture. Period 3. Psychology. Why do stereotypes and bias develop? We'll explore the mechanisms of the mind that shape our everyday thinking.